What's up, you guys? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your girl Esprit here. I'm back again with another video, and today you already know what's up. I am gonna do another wig install, so I'm just hopping on the my little niche or whatever. So this is the wig that I have bought today. Something slight. I just got, it's really slight. This one is called lace front wig, and this was like $70, and this was the last one, so clearly it's good, it's cute or whatever, but it's just wavy, just brown, something natural, nothing too much. But I'm gonna slay this wig. I'm gonna make you look cute. I'm gonna put on my makeup, you already know the deal. So actually, I got something different though. I'm gonna use a different glue because everybody and their mama is using this glue. Wonderlace Bond. This one, I never used this one ever. So this is gonna be my very first time. Obviously, this is a synthetic wig. So remember, I don't bleach my synthetic wigs. So this one is a synthetic wig, so I'm not bleaching it. I'm gonna tint the lace. Actually, it looks like it's my skin tone already. But I bought some lace tint anyway. But I don't think I'm gonna need it. Well, probably just for this. Yeah, probably just for this, my wig cap. And I never use the spray, the tinted spray. I got the dark brown. This is my first time using this too, because I usually always bleach my knots. And I don't ever buy synthetic wigs, but I'm gonna just start buying synthetic wigs for a little bit, just because bitch is on a budget. I am a college student, so I don't want to keep buying all this expensive wigs and stuff. So I just got this one from the beauty supply shop. It's really cute, something slight. I'm gonna slay this wig, so stay tuned and I'll see you in the next clip. And when I blow dry it, I'm always gonna put it on cool dry. I'm not gonna put it on hot or warm, because I don't know if you guys know this, but when you're using like glue or whatever, like the actual glue and stuff, I know for a fact it will turn super white and stuff, and you want to dissolve in your skin. That will happen if you put it on like on hot and stuff. So I'm putting it on cool so that doesn't happen to me. Okay, you guys, now that I'm back blow drying it and stuff, everything's intact. I am just doing one layer. Obviously, you're gonna do more layers and stuff as you go, because you want it to, sit, depending on how long you want your hair to last. But me, I'm just taking it on and off. I don't, do too much. So I just put one layer of glue. I make sure that it is stuck. So as you can see, now I'm gonna get my little scissors. I actually bought them today because I had lost them. I had told you guys in the last video. And I'm going to just cut the ear tabs just like this, y'all. I'm just gonna cut it. I'm trying to cut it. It's so difficult sometimes. There we go. And then I just make a little hole for myself. So just like this. So I just let my ear out. Leave my ear out. There we go. So that's just one hole. And then I just do the same to this side. And then you guys, I'm gonna be back. I'm gonna just cut this side. I'm gonna cut it just like this, and you guys will see, and stuff. I do have the bald cap all like shaved off. As you guys can see, I still have access around my lace, which is just fine. All I'm doing is getting my handicap little eyebrow razor, and then I'm just taking off that excess lace that we do not want there. And if it's cool, you guys see the lining of it, I'm gonna show you guys a little trick how to get rid of that. But I'm just taking this off. Okay, until you can't get any more. And wow, it looks beautiful. So all you're gonna really do is so this won't be seen anymore, all I'm gonna do is spray this one more time. I'm gonna get my, I don't know what happened to my comb, y'all. I'm so unorganized. I'm gonna work with what I got. Okay, you guys, so now that I'm done, like you know, spraying it and stuff, so it look more like a bald cap. And it don't have to be perfect. Hold on, y'all. Yeah, it's cool. Okay, so I'm gonna just spray this on here. Yeah. Okay, cool. I'm just gonna see something. I'm gonna just adjust it where I want to adjust it at. Okay, you guys, so I was just readjusting the wig. I don't even know why I have this still on. I need to take this off. Hold on. Forgot I had that tag on. Anyways, so I was just readjusting the wig just to see what it's gonna look like on. Okay, so now that this is out the way, I'm gonna go in again with the glue, with the spray, but I'm mad because I can't find my comb, and I need my comb, but it's all good in the hood. You know what? I just gotta work what I have. Work what you have. That's all I could literally say. Oh, and I need my elastic band. Oh my gosh, I'm so just out of place, y'all. Now that I'm back, I'm going to go in with my glue again so it could stick to where I'm trying to lay it down at. And you want to make it tacky like. And you just want to comb it back so you could press in the glue so it could stick to the wig cap. And then what I'm gonna do is I am going to put on this elastic band. So this is what it looks like now. I don't like how it looks because I didn't style it yet. Now I'm just taking the eyebrow razor and you just want to shave this bad boy off. Y'all know I like to zoom in. And y'all, I had put this bomb hair wax stick on there, just like that. Then I press it out. With the hot comb. Okay, y'all, so I am doing the other side, and yeah, I put the, you know, the wax stick on this side, and then you already know the deal. I'm determining like if I should put a swoop right here in the middle, or is that doing too much? Okay, y'all, I put my little nose piercing on, but this is how it looks. Look how cute. Look how cute. I really like this look. So I did the baby hair and everything, y'all. And I think I'm gonna just put a little bit of the foundation right here, like the matte powder foundation right there. Do my makeup. And as you see, I did not put no baby hair right here, so I think I'm gonna just cover it because I don't feel like doing it, honestly, if I'm being honest. Because I didn't even like how this one kind of turned out, but this is cute. This is actually really, really cute. If you guys want to know what the wig name was, just leave a comment below and I will reply to your message. So yeah, I hope you guys like this video. Like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye guys.